I'm now 51. Many years ago, like 15 years ago, I was doing trading. I sell small equipment to like Felda and Brista and all these people. And I need to participate in the tender. And each time I tender, I have to lower my price. And it's up to a stage I cannot compete on price. So I tell myself, I have to do something. So then I start to create things that other people doesn't have. So by doing so, I get away from the competition. I did this oil platform, this grating for walking on oil platform. I managed to change the design. Instead of flat bar, I use a thin plate and make it a hollow section. So by doing so, I managed to save the weight by 35% using the same material.
How do I innovate? If I'm an engineer, or if I'm a quantity surveyor, or if I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer, I'm an accountant, when I go to study my individual fields, I learn the technical subject matter, but I'm not taught how to innovate in my field. That is the clear gap.
If you look at this nation that is having high income, for example, Korea, for example, Sweden, Finland, these are the countries that produce a lot of cutting-edge technology. And through innovations, they have this high income. So if Malaysia wants to do that, then we have to have our own local technology. We cannot be importing. So like I say, most of the industrial players in Malaysia, they are traders. They want to import from China, they mark up a price, or they put a branding. That's all they know. So they have to change this mindset in order for us to move from a middle income to the high income.
The challenge for us in Malaysia is to find out what are the latest developments in each industry sector, and then see how to bring each of these new happenings or new developments into Malaysia to improve what we've got.
To invent something, you got to understand there must be the need for it, you know. So most of the people in Malaysia, they look at the country as being very comfortable. There's no problem. So they do not have this hungry in them to invent things.
We've got 20 public universities. We've got thousands of scientists and researchers. The difficulty has been for the business community or entrepreneurs to understand what's happening in the universities. So what we are doing, for example, is going into each and every university, understanding the innovations and the work being done by the scientists, converting this work into plain business language that entrepreneurs and business people can understand. And we are putting these opportunities on our website.
If I were to put effort, I will come down as low as I can to kids that is 7 years old, right up to 15 years old, and I will continue playing with them and hope that these people will understand how to be imaginative, how to turn this imagine into a prototype, and how to make this prototype into a real product that can be sell in the marketplace. So what I'm trying to say is hopefully we can get Steve Jobs out of this kind of process.